In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc140u.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to know is the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL. Just put download, hit enter. Okay, so once you are into that window, just simply click on the first option, scroll down, and then you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type. And once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then you have to wait for this to load. Right click at the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Then you have to copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, locate the System 32 folder, double click on it, then right click and then select paste. Okay, so paste that from here. Once done, close all the windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. Okay, so that's it and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.